This video I'm at the gym using an ab mat and a bench, but you can do this at home using a couch or a towel on the floor as well. So with my back leg up, ideally we want our knee, hips, and shoulders all to be in line. Rather than arching our low back and pushing our hips forward, what you can do is just flex that butt cheek and that will naturally push your hip forward to get a good hip flexor stretch. And if your quads are tight enough, you maybe even feel it down towards your knee as well. Sometimes what I'll also like to do is I lean forward like this. The key thing, if you are going to lean forward and move like that, you want to make sure that you're not arching or rounding. Just move your knee forward, keeping everything in line, and back and forth. Moving forward and backward really breaks up the monotony of a static stretch, and I can feel as I move, I get a little bit deeper into the stretch. Now, of course, we're going to do both sides. One side will be a little bit tighter than the other, so that's expected. Eventually, your goal is, again, knee, shoulders, and hip all in line. On your tighter hip, that might not be possible right away, but really flex that butt cheek to push your hips forward, and then that will get those all in alignment. And of course, going forward and backward can kind of help you ease into the stretch a little bit better.